Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Math Grade 1, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 4. Our topic for today is about data and probability. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to present data in a vertical pictograph without scale. Assessment number 2. Using the given data, construct a horizontal pictograph. Favorite colors of Grade 1 Rose learners. Color, blue, number 15. Yellow, 8. Green, 5. Red, 8. Orange, 4. Horizontal pictograph. Favorite colors of Grade 1 Rose learners. Purpose: to present data in a vertical pictograph without scale. Data: the information we collect. Example, our data shows how many apples we have. Pictograph: a picture chart that shows data using symbols or drawings. Example, each apple in the pictograph stands for 1 apple. Horizontal: a line that goes side to side, from left to right. Example, the table line goes horizontally. Parts of a pictograph. Title: tells what the pictograph is about. Symbols or pictures: show the data, like apple for apples. Labels or names: tell what each picture stands for. Key or legend: explains what one picture means. Class, we will now transform our horizontal pictograph into a vertical pictograph. Make sure you have enough smileys ready to use for constructing the pictograph. Favorite colors of Grade 1 Rose learners. Class, let's look at the two pictographs. What are the similarities and differences between the horizontal and vertical pictographs? Notice that the titles are the same in both charts. In the horizontal pictograph, the names of the colors are listed vertically, while in the vertical pictograph, the names of the colors are written horizontally. Because of this, the placement of the smileys or symbols also follows the orientation of the labels in each pictograph. Class, place the smileys that correspond to the data in each category. Be sure to follow the correct number for each. When you are finished, your pictograph should look like this. Favorite colors of Grade 1 Rose learners should look like this. Questions: how many learners like blue? Answer: there are 15 learners who like blue. Is this the same answer we got in the horizontal pictograph? Answer: yes, the answer is the same. How about for the other colors? Are the answers the same in both charts? Answer: yes, the answers are the same. Class, which way of presenting the data do you prefer? The horizontal pictograph or the vertical pictograph? Why do you prefer that way? Class, which way of presenting the data do you prefer? The horizontal pictograph or the vertical pictograph? Why do you prefer that way? Answer: I prefer the horizontal pictograph because it is easier for me to read the names of the categories. Both pictographs show the same data, but they are different in how the category labels are arranged. Because of this, the pictures or symbols are placed according to the orientation of the category labels in each pictograph. Here's the table for favorite fruits. Present the data using a vertical pictograph. Mango, 12. Apple, 10. Pineapple, 4. Banana, 7. Orange, 7. Answer: favorite fruits of grade 1 Rose learners. One smiley is equivalent to one learner. What is a pictograph? A pictograph is a visual representation of data using pictures or symbols, where each picture or symbol represents a specific value. What are the similarities and differences between a horizontal pictograph and a vertical pictograph? Both pictographs present the same data. The titles are the same as well. However, the categories labels are listed vertically in the horizontal pictograph, but horizontally in the vertical pictograph. Consequently, the placement of pictures or symbols follows the orientation of the category labels in each pictograph. Assessment number 3. Use the given data. Construct a vertical pictograph, popsicle ice cream sold in a week at the canteen. Flavor chocolate, 10. Cheese, 10. Ube, 5. Mango, 8. Popsicle ice cream in a week at the canteen. Answer:
Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!